We're getting there.
Yep. This is my favorite time of the year.
We're making it work.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. If you don't do it now,
You're gonna have problems with it
Forget it.
later. So get out early, get it down, and go home and relax after.
it's really deep.
Multiple years. No problem. No problem. See, the smart thing to do is to. And this is still nothing compared to what I've seen when I was a little kid. When I was a little kid, it was 0 degrees most of the winter. I must have been about, oh God, I must have been about 9, 10 years old. And over a weekend, it was like almost like 4 feet of snow fell. But it snowed day and night. That was a wonderland.
Much too much for us. We came from Georgia. We've never seen this heavy, this big a snow. But it is beautiful before anybody steps on it.
How do you like the snow? Huh? Scared?
Calm down, calm down. It's okay.
Feet are cold. Oh yeah, they get the ice in them, right?
Yeah, I didn't put the booties on this morning. It's winter. Yeah, it's the most snow we've gotten since several years. It's great. I don't have to clean it up, so yeah, I don't mind it.
But yeah, so